Assalamualaikum. My name Muhammad Zul'Ain bin Saleh and my metric number is 2019890894. Today I will present about the harvesting system in oil palm plantation, which is System D10. Content: Introduction to System D10, Module of System D10, and Benefit of System D10. Introduction to System D10. The entire area of project is divided into 10 harvesting blocks and completed within 10 days, and each round in the System D10 is not allowed for more than 12 days. This system is to carry out the harvesting process of taking ripe fruit (BTS) to maintain the quality of palm oil and kernel. Maximum area for block D10 is between 100 hectare up to 100 sorry The maximum area of Block D10 is between 1,000 hectare up to 1,200 hectare only. If some of the oil palm plantation have an area of more than 1,200 hectare, they can make this D10 system as well, but implement it into similar system but in spread D10 block. Okay, module of system D10. It has several modules. First, harvesting block. This division of this block is carried out to facilitate business in the harvesting process. Area is divided into 10 blocks and the fresh bunch BTS production must be completed within 10 until 12 days. With the with the division of block, all harvesting work can be carried out in a more organized and efficient manner. It also can ensure that the average ripe fruit to be picked up is of the highest quality and make a employer's life easier. Next is tasking. Tasking means the task area or work block and task system implement in task. That task is a way to make it easier for the farm officer to identify the employee who will enter the task area that has been set by the officer. These indicators are used to identify employees who should be held equitable if something goes wrong. Because area does not employ running numbers in task marking, it has additionally suggested that block the number D10 be writing on each work mark plate. Okay. Each CCT group is assigned to harvest between 2 until 3 tasks per day according to their respective productivity. Next is harvester based on productivity man per day. At this point, it is used to calculate how much manpower is required to implement this D10 system. Example, large area is 1,200 hectare. Productivity 20 metric ton per hectare per year. Productivity per round, we can see that 2 metric ton divide with 30 round and it gets 0.67 metric ton per round. So the employer productivity is 1.5 metric ton per man day. Okay, calculation of estimate the employer's need. The area of the harvester block per day, which is 1,200 hectare, divided with 10 days, and it get 120 hectare per day. So, estimate the daily revenue production 120 hectare. Estimate daily revenue production 120 hectare times 0.67 equal to 18.4 metric ton per day. So the employer need 80.4 metric ton per day divide with 1.5 metric ton per day and equal to 53.6 people or 44 people. Current productivity requirement for this D10 system is 65 people. Next, cutter carrier team. Cutter carrier team is in this project is semi-mechanized. Cutter and carrier is responsible for cutting BTS, two loader, three harvester, as well as two front cutter and seed collector make up one group of 7 people. Everyone has their own tasks that meet each other's need to ensure that all work can be carried out smoothly and according to plan. If a group does not have enough members, it will be difficult to carry out the task correctly. Okay, like we can see, this is the group member in one team. It has harvester and front cutter, loader and seed collector. Next is roadside and inside mandor. For the roadside mandor, all method of preparation, tractor, truck and so on are take care of by him and manage transportation to bring the harvested fruit to the factory. Next, it also fill in the implementation report form in project D10 every time the fruit is transported. For inside mandor, assignment to determine which area can be harvested by the workers. Each time before the harvest work is carried out, the inside mandor will conduct the census 4 months before see it see if the area is ready for harvest. And last, inside mandor, the farmer will count the quantity of bunch gathered for each harvester region and fill out them on the farm. Okay. Next, harvester cycle report. At this point, report the harvest cycle to see how long it takes to complete each D10 block. Bunch are picked at the appropriate time and maturity and in the proper manner, avoiding harm to the bunch and palm. And last, at least one every 10 days harvesting take the place. Okay. Last is daily productivity report. The purpose of the daily productivity report is to determine how much produce the harvester receives on a daily basis. The report is used to compare daily harvest amount to see if the quantity gathered is the same or not. And lastly, the employee may use this report to figure out how much they harvested each month since they keep a daily record for their labor. Next is benefit of system D10. Because, because all harvester will be on the same block, monitoring will be easier. To guarantee that the harvester production increase, reduce road damage and fuel costs by reducing the use of equipment like diesel. Next, straighter and more efficient than method. Monitoring that is more controlled and effective. And lastly, to make the labor easier and more methodical as well as to the maintain quality, the percentage of refining should be at the best possible state for the harvesting. So, that's all from me about the system D10 for oil palm plantation. Okay, thank you.